Hi there, it's Wendy from wendybottrell.com, and today our topic is 4 benefits of cooking from home for your best life. We believe that learning how and why to cook at home is an important part of living a healthy lifestyle. And as I said, today we want to share 4 benefits of cooking from home or cooking at home. There was a time not so long ago where home cooked meals were a key part of family life, where we enjoyed time with family and friends sitting around the dinner table, eating home cooked meal together. It was a chance to bond, to indulge in delicious flavors home cooked meals provide. However, over the years, home cooking and home cooked meals have declined in popularity. Instead, many families opt to eat out or get takeout rather than cook from scratch. In fact, did you know that many people today simply don't know how to cook? Or they say they don't like cooking? And we found an interesting article, and we will share that link in the show notes for you. While certainly it may be an extra effort to stand and cook after a long, busy day, it really does deliver some great benefits. So let's look at some of the top benefits that home cooking can provide you. It's healthier. Undoubtedly, the main benefit of cooking from home is that it's much healthier. When you eat out, you often find the foods you consume are high in bad fats, calories, salts, and sugar. A lot of additives tend to be used in restaurant meals to provide them with a lot of the flavors. While there are some healthier options you can order, compared to cooking from home, you won't receive anywhere near the same level of health benefits. And it really does. I don't eat gluten, can't eat gluten, and it becomes even more difficult if you want to slightly vary um, an order from the menu. So another benefit from working at home, in fact, just in this category of it's healthier. With home cooking, you can control both ingredients, and organic is the best choice, and the calories included. You can opt for healthier substitutes, better control your portion sizes. An additional benefit is that you can cater to food allergies when you eat out. You can't always be sure that the food you order are free from allergens. And these are just some of the health benefits that home cooking provides. It gives you a chance to bond with family and friends. Another benefit of cooking from home is it allows you to spend more time with your family and your friends. You can even turn it into a family activity. You'll be surprised how much most children love to help out in the kitchen. They enjoy doing grown-up things and are much more likely to eat home-cooked food if they have played a role in creating them. Couples can also use home cooking as a way to bond. Coming together to create a delicious and healthy meal can be fun, relaxing, and help boost relationships. You'll save money. It's a common misconception that home-cooked meals are more expensive to prepare than eating out. The truth is it can actually be much cheaper to cook from scratch. You'll typically need staple ingredients such as spices, herbs, condiments. However, once you have these, they tend to last for quite some time. You'll simply need to purchase the fresh ingredients to go with them, which makes cooking from home much more affordable. You can also save further money by cooking in bulk and take advantage of deals and savings at the grocery store. We also find that you can get much higher ingredients cooking at home. And it can be a great stress reliever. Did you know that cooking can also be a stress reliever? It provides you with something to focus on, and it's also a physical activity. Once you start cooking, you'll forget about the day's stresses and worries. As cooking takes up all of your concentration and focus, you simply don't have time to worry or think about anything else. By the time you've finished preparing your meal, you'll feel much more relaxed and calm and happier. Similarly, cooking from home can also be great for your mental health. There have even been studies that have shown cooking can be therapeutic, as your focus is very much on the present task at hand. It's also great for those who are practicing mindfulness. As you can see, there are so many great benefits that home cooking can provide. It's better for your health, it strengthens your relationship, and it can be an excellent stress reliever. So if you currently don't tend to cook very often, now's definitely a time to reconsider. We'd appreciate hearing from you. Share any ideas, questions, or comments below, and be sure to get in touch with us and let us know how we can help you. And if you like and share this information, we'd appreciate it if you'd let others know about it, your friends and family. We invite you to subscribe to our channel. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com, and thank you for being here today. Bye for now.